refer this one later. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. This is my program for the first question.
Hmm.
So should I try to give input to this?
No, let me check the logic first.
Okay, sir.
Last line, the where your cursor is, that should be 90, not 70. Or what? So what is
Oh,
that?
this is for grade
Okay, okay.
C.
So generally the rule is we should put either increasing or decreasing order. Why you're putting in a mix one?
Oh, for this one is for validation, sir. If
Hmm.
it's like less than zero or like less than or greater than zero, it's gonna be fair. Oh, why did I
Second.
write it like
No, no,
this?
no, it's not like that.
Oh, sorry, sir. I
No, that's
actually
fair.
changed my code after I got an idea, but I did forgot to change this part.
No issue, no issue. Okay, let me check the thing. So you
Yes, sir.
understood Elif right properly, right?
Yes, sir.
Then who had doubt in Elif? Only Randeep had doubt and Jania.
Uh, I have a little bit of doubt, but I think I'll get a hang of it when I write more.
That day my clarification was helpful to you when I
Yes,
explained that one. That was
yes, sir.
helpful to you,
Yes,
Jania.
yes, sir.
Do you feel comfortable now coding?
A little bit. I just have to code more so that I get more comfortable with it.
Every time you're speaking a little bit, when you'll see so much.
Sir,
Last time also you said, when I asked you last time, you are getting comfortable, you said little bit.
every day it's increasing little bit more.
Then you should say it is increasing. It is
It's
better than the last time. I
yes,
can
sir.
remember your answer. Last time you said little bit. Again, this time you say little bit. Next time you say little bit. Okay, anyway. So you say, okay, it is better.
It is better, sir.
Yeah, it is better than the last state.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So something is wrong on your grade numbering also, right? Grade
Oh,
B
yes,
twice.
sir. I changed this code in like at 6 o'clock today because I
And
got another idea.
I'll tell you then one issue.
Yes, sir.
No, that looks good. Yeah, 80. If you put by mistake marks greater equal to 70 before marks greater equal to 80, if you put change the order, na,
Yeah.
then your result will be wrong.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
I think
when we use,
yes,
yeah,
sir.
go ahead, go ahead.
I think I should move this one, like this line, underneath 70, then I'll not get any wrong answer.
No, this is also not wrong answer. This is
Yes, sir.
correct only.
Okay.
Only thing, if you change the order of the second, third, and fourth else if, then any one of them, if you change, then your output will be, result will be
Yes, sir,
wrong.
because I did not mention end, right? This.
Yeah, because we are not mentioning and so this kind of thing we should be very careful. It's very simple thing, but we should be very careful, right?
Yes, sir.
You get my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you explain? Like, let me ask Jania.
Okay.
Uh, Jania, like, are you getting what I'm speaking to Pranavi?
So you should not use and no what?
No,
No, no.
no, it's not about this. Can you explain Pranavi? Like, can you change the thing what I said?
Yes, sir. So basically, I have to add and.
No. I'm telling, suppose that you don't, your code will be as it is, and just I'm telling you to change the order of second, maybe third and
Oh,
fourth
yeah, yeah,
else
yeah, yeah,
if.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Do one thing, copy paste this cell and make one new cell and copy paste this whole code there. Okay. See,
Okay.
writing code is one thing, but understanding the different possibilities, what are the things we should care in the logic, those are important. And that's why I make you write the code and we discuss here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Otherwise, just write the code and just you got the output. That's good, but we should know the other multiple cases.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you will have proper practice of that. Now Jania, you tell me, this is something is wrong in this, some logical error is there in this code. Can you tell me what error is there in this code?
Uh,
Logical error, you know, right?
yes, sir.
Means this code will run, but you cannot get expected output. That is a logical error.
I'm not sure.
You are not sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose that I enter here, do enter. Pranavi, run this code.
Oh, 1 second, sir.
I
Sorry, sir.
run this and I will tell you some answer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, and give
Yes.
the input as 85. And don't enter. Just press 85. Write 85, but do not press the enter. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Jane, you tell me when I enter 85, what should be our expected output and what it is going to give.
So our expected output should be B, but
Okay, and now you trace the code in mind by looking at the line by line code and see what is output you are going to get using this on this input.
C?
Why?
No.
So actually, the we didn't copy paste you just copy pasted the if else.
No, sir.
I I
This
thought I
is like
thought of
original.
to copy paste the its body also.
It's body.
Yeah,
Uh, I did. This is my original code, sir. What I did is like I changed this to 70 and this to 80.
yeah, no. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So okay, so in this, okay, yeah, okay. That way, if you are to check, then in this case,
We'll get
yeah.
um two
mm,
statements for this one.
Yeah,
Actually, I
B and
Something is
C,
was
not
right?
in this
equal.
case, I need to check some other value. Let us give 75 as input,
Okay.
but don't press enter.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, now tell me, Jania, what is your expected output and what you are going to get here? Like what you should you are based on the log this na question, what you should get and what you are getting.
We'll get we should be getting B, right? And we will get both the values of A and B.
No,
No, no.
check properly, check properly.
It's an elif. So
Else if see elif is very simple thing. If you are putting if elif means only one of them will run. That's
One.
all. Only
Oh,
one of them will run, and rest of them will be skipped. And why? Because if else, then another if else is the part of else. Anyone is true, then rest of them will not
will not
execute.
escape.
So it's very simple.
Oh,
So you tell me now we have input 75. Suppose that based on the question in the green part, if you have 75, then what grade you should have in 75 marks?
we should have B
How?
because marks is greater or equal to
Now
7.
check in the question green section.
Green section. Okay.
this one.
Okay, okay. So grade should be C,
Yeah,
but
and
we'll get B
why? So why this is the wrong?
because Elif will take the first one, which is true, and 70 greater than marks is greater than or equal to 70 is the first one.
Yeah, so this is wrong output, or but actually, Pranavi, in this case,
Yes, sir.
your code is wrong.
Okay.
But what I was telling you that time,
Mhm.
to your logic will be like your code will be correct, but logic will be wrong. In this case, your code itself is wrong actually. Like it's also a logical error only. But I was telling some different
Yes, sir.
scenario.
1 second, sir. I'll just check it once.
Uh,
70. If
no,
70.
like what I was expecting. So in the previous code,
Mhm.
I wanted to change the order of 80 and 70.
So this one goes up,
Yeah,
that one goes
yeah, yeah.
the
Do
whole
this,
thing. Okay.
copy and paste that one there. Just there only you can do, or maybe you can create one more cell.
I'll just create one more cell.
Yeah, that's better.
Mm, I get it now. I thought you asked me to change only numbers, sir.
No, no, it's okay. Because otherwise, what is happening? As per question, your code is. See, in this case, if you match with the previous question and here, both looks correct. If it should be more than 70, it is C. More than 80, B. It looks correct, but it's wrong. Why it is wrong? Can you run this code?
One
Leave it
second.
this one. Yeah,
Uh,
run this one.
yes, sir.
Now you
70.
now you should input here 85. Then
Okay.
this will be right thing what I was expecting. 85. If you run 85, we are supposed to get grade B, but we are getting grade C. Why? Janya, tell me quickly. You should
Be-
keep
because
on thinking. Hmm.
because elif the first elif that is true is marks is greater than or equal to 70, and 85 is greater than 70. So that one is the
Yeah,
first one which is true, and
but
so we
but
get
we are supposed to get grade B, right? Which
yes,
is
sir.
so this is the C. See the I just we change the order, then output is wrong. And why it is
Yes, sir.
happening? Because this elif will never execute. The last elif which you see in the 81, it will never execute. Why?
Because this is true.
Yeah, this will be always true, and this 80 will never be true. Next one will never be true.
Yes, sir.
You
The
get,
value will not enter the next one because
yeah, it will never be. It will never enter. You
okay.
understood? Janya, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
So we should be careful. So see here now I'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
Either you take care of order of if else the way it is has been taken care by Pranavi, or use the AND operator and give the all the range like from here to here like this, as it is given in the question.
Yes, sir.
So if
Okay.
we use AND operator for every single one of them, every single condition, we don't have to use elif, right?
Yeah, we can just
Yeah.
use it for that.
See whether you put in elif or if that's you are right. I understand.
Yes, sir.
Uh, but that is
Yes,
not
sir.
going to affect our result. Like what I'm telling you, in order to avoid such mistake which we have seen, like an order of the elif, or you can say the range of the marks, right?
Yes, sir.
We are putting 70 on top and then 80 is going down. So 80 is not going to it will not execute any at any cost, because 70 will stop, right?
Yes, sir.
Always this 70 will be true, because whatever number is more than 80, that will be more than 70 also, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why this thing we should be careful. So in order to avoid this, what we can do, either we can put the range,
Yes,
this
sir.
number to this number, then grade this. But if we follow that approach, there will be one drawback also. Can you tell me what will be a drawback in that?
In
Pranami, this question is for you. I don't think
in
Janya
AND
can
one.
reply. Like suppose that I'll put and I'll put another range like mark 70 to 80, something like that.
Mhm.
Then if we put more condition every time and operator and one
The
more
program
condition.
will take more time to run.
Yeah. Did
Yes.
you get Janya?
No, sir.
So see, as many condition you check, or you can say as more expression will be evaluated. This condition is nothing but expression. So if you just change the logic of the code without having more condition, more expression, that's a better way.
Okay.
It will save your computer processing time, and that is the important part for the such kind of competition. This is basic level, but once you go for some more complex thing, you have to think of
Runtime.
how, yeah, less number of condition, less number of expression, less number of calculations should happen, and you should get the right output. So the way Pranavi has written on first cell, this is good. And elif means only one of them will execute, rest of them will not execute. If you if you put, suppose that if marks is less than 70, then greater than 0, greater than 90, less than equal to 100, marks is greater than equal to 80, and less than equal to 90. Like that, if you put and you remove elif and make it only if.
So should I do it now?
No, you don't have to do. Just I'm telling you, giving you scenario. Suppose that we don't use elif, just we use if and we put all the range like marks 80 to 90, marks 70 to 80. Then again we are going to fall into that trap. Means you'll have more condition and all if it will check. So as many, if when we are putting elif, only one condition will be true, rest of them will not execute. But if you put every time if, even the first if, let us do this quickly. Copy paste this one
This
because
one, sir?
I don't know how much Janya is able to appreciate this lecture. Are you able to understand, Janya, what I'm trying to
Yes,
say?
sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So if elif will just run faster than if,
Yeah, why?
because if has more the what do we say it again?
No, you'll see with output. That's correct. Let us keep that one as it is. Leave it there, Pranavi. That is not so much important as of now.
Okay.
Let's keep that one. The last one is okay. That's fine.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Okay. Just
we'll
put
just put it
else.
there.
Yeah, that's fine. Just what you have to do, put copy paste from previous line and marks less than equal to 100, put in the rest of them and put the range, change the range from 80 to 90. Yeah, this should be 90, correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, Pranavi, you explain why this will be worse than the previous code. Why?
Because they are like if we'll only check every time the code runs,
Mm-hmm.
it, the the interpreter will check the value in each and every if case.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah, same thing.
If this
So,
is false, it will
yeah,
run again here and
yeah, same thing.
here.
Even though, no, even
The
though
first one,
first one
even
is
though that's
true, first
true,
one is true,
then
yeah, not
yes, sir.
false. Even
Even
though
though
first one is false, rest of the if also again this will be evaluated and it will check what it is true, then it will not repeat print. It will be false, then it will not print. False, then not print. So unnecessarily all if it will execute, right?
yes,
But
Yes,
sir.
when we put else if, once one is true, then rest of them will be skipped. You get the point,
yes, sir.
Janya? Okay
Yes.
then. I hope for you I'm doing this much of struggle and you should appreciate this. Clap it. Okay, go next, Pranavi.
Yes, sir. This one is done.
Ranveer will go through the video. I hope he can easily understand this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so which one the next question?
This one is done. Oh, this one, sir.
Yeah.
Sides of the triangle.
Yeah, this is very common, equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. So if, okay, given a triangle is possible to make, oh, so you're putting validation. That's good. You are appreciating you are trying to inculcate
Yes,
those
sir.
things which I explained to you.
Yes, sir.
If side plus 1, side 2 is greater than 3, means, yeah, this is a triangle to possible to make great if all are equal.
Sir?
Yeah, like I'm just thinking
Okay.
if second if shall we put this way or we should put uh, let us check this one because I'm
Okay, sir.
this is a Python a bit tricky here. So let us do one thing. Check the copy paste the no, don't copy everything. Just second if condition of second if.
Oh,
Only second condition of second if, that's all, nothing else, only condition, yeah, that's all. Okay, and put one new cell and do one thing, make it single equal. There are two equal, right? Yeah,
yes, sir.
yeah, and put one value at the end equal to 5. Yeah, and enter.
Like run.
No, I don't have to press enter
Okay.
and print in the bracket again control V.
Control V.
Yeah, now run it. Okay. Yeah, this is in Python it is good. Otherwise in C what we
In
do
C, we have to write for each.
and yeah. Yeah, but yeah, we have to be careful. Like sometime if we can do mistake in this kind of case. Okay, fine. Then let's fine. So now we are checking 1, 2, 1, 3. Here no, your one is extra there. 1, 2, 2, 1. This is
Two,
yeah.
1, 2, 3.
2, 1 is not required.
Oh yeah, yes sir, yes sir. Sorry sir.
No issue.
Yes.
Okay, and then this is
3, 5.
isosceles, and else otherwise it is a scalar. Yeah. See, elif is also again important here because any one of them will be true, right? It's not possible. Is it possible?
If we do not use elif here, sir,
Yeah.
when this condition wait. Yeah, I guess it's gonna work without.
It will work, but
Yes, sir.
unnecessarily again condition, it
Yes,
will
sir.
check the
It will
condition.
it will just take like a lot of time to run.
Yeah. Now I'm thinking some other scenario
Yes,
which is
sir.
not possible here. Then we are
Which
good.
is it,
Like
sir?
I'm thinking, in some cases you may have possibilities like maybe condition 1 is also true and 2 is also true. So we may have to
We should,
combine.
if
Yeah,
these both are true, then it's gonna be equilateral because
yeah,
the three are equal, right, sir?
yeah. We can say that each equilateral triangle is also isosceles, right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I want to say that way, if I want to print output in that way, then what will happen? That I was having in my mind.
Okay.
So in that case, by the mathematical logic, we can just simply print there.
Yes,
Even
sir.
like when we have all three sides are equal, they are equilateral as well as isosceles, and then we are through.
Okay,
Did you
sir.
get my point?
Yes, sir. I could just add this triangle will also be considered as an isosceles.
No, just you write one word, equilateral as well as
Okay.
isosceles. That's all. But that's a logical thing, right? All
Yes, sir.
equilateral triangle will be isosceles also, right?
Yes, sir.
But anyway, that's fine. So here we are. See, in this scenario where one word is enough, but some cases you may come across where maybe this if is executing, another if is also may be correct. So in that case, else if may not be the right thing.
Yes, sir.
Suppose that I will tell you just slightly if I'll modify this question, okay?
Mhm.
Uh, like this. You need to also print when it is isosceles, which two sides are equal. If
Oh.
you need to print the name of those side, or maybe yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
maybe which side, maybe side 1, side 2, like this. If I ask you to, and one more interesting thing you can have here, instead of using side 1, side 2, side 3, we should always, when you do coding, okay, these all are driven by our mathematics, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like let me share quickly my screen what I mean to say. Okay, then you
Yes,
can
sir.
share after that.
Let me stop sharing.
What I'm telling you, suppose that this is our triangle. Do you see any triangle here? I'll take this one. This is my triangle, okay?
Yes, sir.
And I'll suppose this is my angle A.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, I'm not using mouse. So it's creating problem for me. Okay. This is A, okay? Suppose that this is B and this is C. These are the angle, right? So
Yes.
this side will be A, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know or not? This
I
side will
didn't
be
know,
C.
sir, but we yeah, sir. Yes, sir. I
this
used
side.
to name it as um
A,
just
B,
like
B,
A
C.
B C.
But we
Like
should know this. Why I am telling you this? Because this kind of logic we can apply. Now you can always understand. This is a small c actually, right? You don't think that this is a capital C. If you don't know, then you should know this.
okay, sir.
So what is happening here? Instead of taking variable as side 1, side 2, side 3, I would take a small a small b, a small c. And then if I'll add a question tricky there, you need to print which two sides are equal. Then you'll check if A is equal to B. If these two are equal, then we can say AC and BC are
Equal
equal.
sides.
You get the point?
Yes, sir.
So from this also you can understand, see, this is BC. It means side will be A because A, B, C. This will make complete ABC, right? From this
Yes.
you can understand. When I have angle A and C, then its side will be called as B because this will complete ABC. Did you get?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I am telling you my AB is equal to BC. So here what is missing? C. Here what is missing? A. So you
Yeah.
can say that A is equal to A. You get my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So like this thing, see, simple thing is there, which you, if, so these are competitive things, right? So whatever you learn, you just apply your sense. Like you don't think that is coding or it's something I should not apply, you should apply.
Okay, sir. I
So
actually
instead,
didn't know this logic
yeah,
before.
yes. So
I will apply it from
that's why
now.
your mother paid for me, right?
Yes.
If you know everything, then why she should hire me? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
You have to think. So I'm getting some money, so I have to teach you something, right?
Yes.
If you know everything, then you should not have taken my classes.
No, sir. I don't know everything. I
Okay,
don't
now
know
you can share the
everything.
screen.
Yes, sir.
So interesting thing you learned here. Now you can modify that question a bit.
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Or maybe I can should I put in the that our notebook? You can meanwhile share because there's no relation between yours.
Yes, sir. I
So
shared it.
yeah.
Sir, should I change it now?
No, I'm thinking whether I should put. No, you don't have to say.
Okay, sir.
You should
I'll just
care.
change it
Next
later
time you
and
can
share
say,
it to
yeah,
you
you can.
tomorrow.
My question is just I wanted to add my point was I want to print which two sides are equal. When I'm telling you two sides, then is side name is AB, BC like this. But you have to take variable as a small a, a small b, a small c. But when you print a message,
It's gonna
it,
be A, B,
so
B, C.
this question I add in the our I'll add just I'll
Okay, sir.
put into my so that uh, everybody should do work on that question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Which sides are equal in isosceles, right? So this is important thing, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the spelling of isosceles? Janya, tell me.
ISOSCELES.
Isosceles. Yes, thank you. Yeah, go to next question.
This one is time, sir. I don't know
Yeah.
if I did it right or no.
Okay, input current time.
Because first I like took if the first I
This is
did the
not complete. You have done okay. This is okay. For basic level, it's fine.
okay.
But suppose that I should have hour, minute, second also. Then it will be complex. But anyway, let's go ahead with that. Let's keep it. Let us we can move to the next. Otherwise, what will happen? It will take so long to solve to complete only if else.
Okay, sir.
So we can go ahead. But suppose that you have been given time, minute, second also. Then I hope you can take care, right?
Yes, sir. What I would do is like I would change all of them into seconds maybe. or minutes? No, that will be too long, sir. Because
Hmm.
like, wait, will it throw
But
any
that's also okay, good idea.
will it throw any runtime error? Because there are like a
No,
lot of calculations. No, right, sir?
no. We are having enough range in integer also.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's better idea. Like you can convert into second, and then you can check like 12 into 60 into 60 like this,
Yes,
60 into
sir.
60 into 60 like this. If you put, then it will take care of. But the issue is you have to take input hour, minute, and second. Then you convert that one properly.
Yes, sir.
Then you compare in the second, and that way you can do it. Good idea.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because
Anyway,
that's what I did for alphabets.
yeah.
Like
Okay.
check
This is
out.
for programs. Three subject calculate average and average above. Check if individual marks are. Check if all individual marks are also 50 or above. Print pass with good performance if true, otherwise pass with improvement needed. So you need to check in every subject you should have more than 50 or not.
Yes, sir. I checked it here.
I can see. Okay. Okay, next.
This
Five
one
or
is divisibility, sir.
divisible both, other if only one, then so which one, otherwise not divisible five or seven. This is the scenario I was explaining to you in the isosceles. Right? If it is both are two sides are equal, then which sides are equal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any two sides. But that's fine. So Elif is also a good enough here, right?
Elif.
Yeah, eventually this is one Elif. What you have to do, just one first else you need to combine with if, that's all, and this is done.
Oh yeah, yes, sir. I just like divided them so that I could see what's happening.
No issue.
I could change it now. Uh,
Yeah, you just no, it's yeah, okay, correct. That's all.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
This one
Number
I
check if it
checked
is
for negative
positive,
also, sir.
positive if it is single digit, two digit, or multi-digit. Okay, so if it is number greater than you given a positive and less than, okay, this is two single digit and okay, else multi-digit.
I did it for negative
Correct.
as well.
Else, yeah, for negative also you did. Okay, fine. Yeah, just you change the flip that one, less than greater than.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Yeah, go to next.
1 second, sir. This
Corrective
one.
one, if correct input by the vowel or consonant. Okay. Okay. Did you run this answer and you are able to get that
Yes, sir. For
correct output?
example, I put B, it's
Yeah.
gonna say it's consonant. If I put a
Okay.
number, it's gonna say try again.
hmm So enter alphabet ABC, vowel or consonant, not letter, print invalid character. Okay, fine. So hold. I'm just taking invalid character. Please try again. Good. Yeah, next. Okay, next time onwards, what you have to do, Pranavi and everyone like Jania, Randeep is not here. Uh, Try to solve all the assignment in one sitting.
Then I did the same. I solved everything in one sitting.
Yeah, that is one first step. Second step is that you have to see what time you started and what time you ended. So you mean to say you should have the good logic in shortest time.
Yes, sir.
You got the point? And
Yes,
without mistake.
yes, sir.
Okay, so that you can track how long it is taking to write a code, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me check now. So red, yellow, color the red, yellow signal and stop, get ready, go. If not, well, then invalid. Oh, red, yellow, green. So red, invalid. Red means stop. Yellow means
Oh,
uh,
I could do
uh,
LF
elif.
here.
Yeah, everywhere elif is. This all cases are elif.
Yes, sir. I forgot. Yes.
Yeah, no
And here
issue.
also I can play
Yeah,
with.
that also you can make a elif.
Yes, sir.
So light equal to yellow, else this light means go. Stop, get ready, else go. Good.
Yes, sir.
Next.
This one is big code, sir, because I did all validations for this one.
This is the last code, right? Or we have more?
No, we have three more. This is like the no, we have five, sir.
No issue, no issue. Let me see. I am tired of checking and you are not tired of.
Yeah, yes, sir, because I need some improvements to improve on.
What? Yeah, these things like, okay, yeah, you learned something. Okay, hold.
Yes.
Read me, read this. Write a prompt to calculate price of flight ticket based on this question was good. Distance of the flight less than 500 km, base price $50. If it is this, then $100 more than this. Now class of if economy, then no extra charges. Business, add 50% of the base price. First class, 100% of base price. Member status. This question was good, right?
Yes,
Membership, you have
sir.
multiple things. Membership status gold equal to 20%, silver 10%, no membership, no discount. Oh, great. This enter the following details to calculate the price of your flight ticket. Distance, enter the distance of the flight. Yeah, in one more thing, like in final exam, like you don't have to write big messages here for practice.
Yeah, yes,
Okay,
sir.
there you
We
need to
don't have
save
to
time. So
prompt any.
just crisp and precise, to the point and precise in message you have to give. Okay, because that they will just check the if test cases are pass. Whether you write something or not write, it doesn't matter. We print
No,
something or
I
print,
don't
it doesn't
think
matter.
we are allowed to make any prompts. I don't think we cannot do it, sir.
Yeah, I know. Just
I think we cannot do it, yeah.
yeah, we can do. But just I'm telling you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here it is good practice to have everything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have distance of the flight and ticket class, and then you have membership. Okay, you have taken everything. First.
Base is my base
Yeah,
price.
base is zero. If distance is zero, invalid distance less than zero, it is. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. I mean, if they want to pay, wait, I should keep less than or equal to
Yeah,
actually.
that's what I was looking at.
Yes, sir.
So now it is not class, not business, not first class, invalid class of ticket. Please try again. I'll tell you one thing. So now hereafter, maybe after this class, tell you. Hereafter, you don't have to put if else if for validation. Something called assert. You write the word. Like you need to write assert, and whatever condition you want to put, just you put that. I'll tell you a simple example. Okay. So hereafter validation thing, we will not use else for if else. Okay. Just we have to use keyword called assert, means that will check condition for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, like for this kind of, and in exam also we'll do through that.
Okay, sir.
So as of now, it's okay. Till now, whatever we learned based on that, that's very good. So eventually you can convert couple of this code which are complex using assert. Once I will explain you. Okay.
Okay, sir. I think I could do here else if.
Mm, yeah, you can do that, but leave it. Don't do this now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If less than 500, show me the condition once. I want to check your condition is properly mapped here or not.
Less
Less than.
than
Okay,
500
fine.
countries, 50.
Okay then. Yeah, I'll scroll down. Less than 500, then base price is $50. Else, if your distance is critical to 100 base price of 100, else 200.
This is
Okay.
for first,
Yeah.
no, not first class.
Now this is if ticket class economy base, otherwise business equal to 0 point. Okay. 50% of that you are taking, then 100% you have taken. Gold, then again. Okay. Good idea. It's good. Now it is silver. Okay. 20% discount you have given, then 10%, then no discount. Good. Done.
Yes.
Did you
This is
take
my
anyone's
whole life.
help or you have done yourself this one?
Sir?
Did you take anyone's help on this?
No. No, sir.
You did yourself?
Only for lower
Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. So it means you are good in coding.
Yes, I'm good in else if, sir. I did not learn any loops in Python.
Yeah, but no, here also you had some logic you had to apply and you applied successfully. Did you? I hope you didn't take anyone's help, any resource, anything. No? Okay then.
No, sir. Only for this one and for random one I
No,
took help.
that's okay. That is okay. That we are not, which is not part of our syllabus yet. Like we didn't learn something yet, then that's okay. We need to take. But logic point of it is good. Like you have covered everything correctly.
Yes, sir.
Scroll down, scroll down.
From Python, I know that we could change it and then like just like compare for lower cases, but I didn't know how to change it in Python. So I just like searched that
That
one.
part is fine. Say right
Yes.
upon a person qualifies for a loan based on this age, income, and grade. So this is a similar code you can could have done that one. I trust you.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
age,
Did I do any
and
validation?
then you're taking. Okay, you are up to 150 years people you can give and loan.
I searched up like the maximum age a human can live,
No.
and it seems the recorded
Earning up
period
to
is
earning hand only we give 50, 60 is good
150.
enough. We should not give 80, 60, right? See, only reserved for
Yes.
citizen loan 60. See,
Yes, sir.
senior citizen loan you could give up to 70. After that, he will not pay. He will go and then company will lose
Yes, sir. Then
the
I'll
money.
change this to 70, sir, maybe.
Yeah, 75 is max to max.
Okay,
In
sir.
US, Canada, okay, people up to 75, 80 they work. But India,
Yes.
after 65, they
Yes, sir.
they don't. Loan income. Okay, this is similar questions. I just skip this. Okay, go to the
Okay.
next question. Because this just pattern was very similar to previous one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is
This
also
one?
similar pattern. So there
Then
is no
this one
trick
I
here.
like for like um in this one all my conditions are not same. I like change some of the conditions. Like for my logic's sake. I'll
It's
show.
okay. I can see the pattern is similar. I'm expecting you must have done correctly.
Yes,
You have
sir.
must have run and checked the output. If your input range and output is matching all the cases. Like sometimes what we do, we write the code and
We
we
only
don't
check
check.
for one.
Yeah, one or two you check, but we don't check for different, and that is part of testing. That we learn. So what
Yes,
we
sir.
do, like when we check the code as a tester, we try to think of the some scenario where this code will fail. Extreme scenario we think these are the possible. Ideal scenario it will pass, but no, like adverse scenarios where it may fail, those scenarios we have to think of as a tester, as a critical
Yes.
thinking, and then
Then I
those
wrote
cases
one
we need.
scenario where it will fail. If I use like percentage symbol in the entering part, it will fail because I'm
That
checking
is
the
that is
code.
uh, that is input validation. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
but we have for some logical scenario we have to think of. Suppose that in this case this if so I don't think will be having that's kind of things. Maybe some contradictory value we have to think of. Maybe I take suppose that
Maybe a
5,000.
complex number.
No, sorry.
A complex number. I don't
No,
think
no,
it's
no, no,
needed
no, no,
here.
no, 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 not that one.
Okay.
Actually, in this case, I'm not able to think of any such kind of extreme scenarios. Like here, see,
Maybe any
multiple possibilities would be
bonuses.
there, right? Like all combinations are there.
Mhm.
Go up, I'll tell you, explain you a bit. So here, suppose that we have when our salary is less than 10,000, this is one case. With that, we have to check for attendance. We are having two case.
Mhm.
Then customer feedback. I guess that's all. The only or three to the six cases are here. Six case are ideal case. Means three in the first case, monthly sales, and two in the attendance. The three into two, six cases are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But we have to think of some other cases where it will fail, it may fail. And for that reason, we are doing some validation. So that is saving us.
Yes, sir.
That's why we need to have some validation.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, this time it's okay, but we'll come to know sometime in future.
Okay, sir.
But input value is also one kind of input validation. We that's also we need to think of. somebody some other kind of value. Suppose that fractional value it will take or not take. So that is also a scenario. Like here you have kept float, so that is taken care. You want to talk, mother? Somebody is there?
No, 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 sir. I'm just thinking.
Oh
I'm just
yeah, okay.
thinking of a scenario, sir.
Yeah, like so one scenario I can think of float value which you already have taken care, right?
Yes, sir.
And one you already have said that percentage kind of thing they input, then it will fail. That is
Yes,
also a good thing we can think of.
yes, sir.
Maybe, yeah.
Mm. Maybe what if they wrote the percentage in decimal value? I don't think it will take, sir. Like 0.95.
So
This one.
0.95 is also correct. That's less than 1%. That's correct.
Yes, sir. But it's like if they did not calculate the percent and just like wrote 0.95, then this is not gonna be considered as 95 in my code rate, sir.
Now that
Like
we
92.
can with that some assumption we need to check. Like we
Okay.
should have to have some assumption.
Mm-hmm.
Like when we are telling some percentage 1 to 5, 0 to 100. So that might be any percent, 12.5, 11.5%, 2.5%. So that's okay, fine. That's okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we don't have to worry. Okay, anyway, I'll go to next question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So here
This.
what assignment you had, like you got the logic from that book I have copy pasted for you.
Mhm.
So I have given you like here you see
This variable string.
one way, but you can have multiple ways like if else, nested if. Those things I was expecting to try to practice.
Yes, sir. I already practiced on this one, so it is in another thing.
You get my point, what I'm telling you. This is one condition using this which you are checking leap year, but you may have like nested if, you can have else if, or some other kind of format you can think of by changing this one. If I'll tell you, prepare as a nested if, this question using nested if, then how you'll write this code?
First, I will check this one, sir.
Yeah, this will be nested if, right? But how this
Um,
or will go?
actually, I can write a if-else statement, sir. I'll like include whole this thing for in if part and else part
Yeah, that is what I was expecting.
leave thing.
So,
I did that in my other code, sir. Let me show you.
okay.
I
Here, if
forgot to show you
no issue.
last.
So if you want to convert that one using if else, then you have to think of which condition we should keep first, which one in the next. So that is the important thing.
Leave here, leave here. This one. I did that here.
No, this is just you're putting if else, but I'll tell you nested if. Then how would you do that?
If I do nested if,
Yeah, you can do
first
this
I
later
will
on.
do. I'll check this one.
I will not tell you. You have to do. Then I will explain you. So
So
multiple possibilities would be there. So we have to think of how we can arrange, and that is what the intent of this question was.
okay.
This
So should
intent
I
was
do it?
not to just to teach you how to check leap year, but intent was to how to use different formats of if else.
Okay. So should I do it now? I
No,
haven't.
no, you have to do later on. You can show
Okay.
me other because we have to check
Okay. Okay.
Jania's answer also. We have discussed around 1 hour. Oh, I don't believe this. Okay.
This one I took from
Hmm.
textbook. Before
No
this one,
issue.
I just like
Yeah, intentionally I gave this question from textbook. I found it interesting.
yes, sir.
So I thought if you don't read the book, then you can read.
Yes, sir.
Because some people
First,
they
what
don't
I
check.
did is like first I solved the whole thing.
Hmm.
I didn't know how to do this one, so I thought it's from the textbook and I opened the textbook.
You could have taken some input and that's all. That would also be a random input all itself. That's fine.
Right.
I was expecting to use some input. That was also like a random value only. Okay,
Random.
show me the question because I forget the question.
Yes, sir.
You want to develop prompt to play a lottery. The prompt randomly generates a two-digit number. Prompt the user to enter the two-digit number and see. Okay, see, you're not getting any input, right? That's
I'm getting
what.
input from the user.
Oh, okay, then. Okay, sorry. Go up.
This is generated by the computer, sir, like the lottery number.
Oh, okay, okay,
User
okay.
have to
Oh,
give their lottery number.
oh, okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Let me read then again. Prompt and generates a two-digit number. Okay, yeah. Prompt the user to input. Yeah. Then determine whether you win the correct rules. The user's input matches the lottery in the exact order. Okay, 10,000. If the all the digits in the user's input match, okay, okay, one digit. So this question was very interesting, right?
Yes,
So
sir, it is.
because here you have two-digit number, so it was easy. But once we'll go to the loop, same question, just let us keep in mind, or you can try to solve all now also. Suppose that your number of digits are more, 5 or 10 or 15 or n,
Then I
then
have
things
to.
then things will be complex, right?
Yes, sir.
There you have to use multiple loops and everything. And that will be very interesting question.
Yes, sir.
So I'll just write one. I might have kept something. Need to.
I felt
Yeah.
like I was doing a
And
real lottery question for this one, sir.
yeah. Sorry.
I felt like I was doing a real lottery with this question, sir.
Yeah. Did you win some lottery?
I won $1,000.
Okay.
I like my number was never like equal to the number
Which was
computer
taken
generated.
randomly?
Yes, sir. For example, I can show it for you.
Okay. Okay.
If I like,
Will
sir,
not.
choose a number.
Uh,
Choose a
30.
number.
Okay. 37.
37. Okay.
I never win a lottery. That you're
Okay.
telling.
Congratulations. 1,000. Because
I
computer generated this one. One
yeah,
of your
seven.
number
One
is
one one
missing,
is
so
matched. At least $1,000 I won,
yeah,
right?
yes,
See,
sir.
I'm lucky enough. Try once again. See how much money I get from you.
Okay, sir.
Let me try once more.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Give me
Uh,
your number.
let me think. I'll apply my mind.
Yes, sir.
Try 79,000.
79. 94. It's 1,000.
See
Yes, sir.
how I understand my code.
Yes, sir.
It's interesting, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other thing you have? Now I
That's
guess
it,
it's
sir.
Jania turn.
That's it.
It has taken 1 hour to discuss with you. Now Jania will take another hour.
Yes. I will stop my sharing now,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sure.
I will try to do the leap year one.